Hi, I am Subha, and in this video I will show you how I turned this simple word list into a beautifully designed word search puzzle book. You can see this is a list. It has different types of words like animals, fruits, sports, colors, ocean animals, vegetables, school supplies, countries, jobs. I will show you how I quickly created this word list and how I quickly turned this simple word list into beautifully designed word search puzzles that I can sell on Amazon KDP as word search puzzle book, or I can sell on Etsy as a digital download. I can also sell this on Teachers Pay Teachers as printable. So you can see our first page was animals, and here is this page, beautifully designed word search puzzle page, and here are the puzzle clues. It's page 1. Similarly, it's our page 2, fruits, and if we scroll down we can also see our page 2. This is the puzzle grid here, and then there are clues here, and the list goes on and on. I have created 20 pages in total. To just show you the power of this method, I have quickly created this word list using AI and then used a specific tool to create these word search puzzles. So let me show you how I generated the word list first. I went on to ChatGPT. I gave it very simple prompt like this. I want to create word list for my word search book. I want the word list on below format, title, and then I added a colon here and I wrote title goes here, then 15 words, and in bracket I said 1 per row, then blank row. It means a line break, and then I repeated the format again. At the end I said make sure there is no line break after title, add it before the next set of words. I added this and ChatGPT gave me these words: animals, then fruits. Then I said create 20 pages or sets of words, and it went ahead and created this whole word list very fast. I just copied it here, then created a new word list, new text document like this, word list 2, then opened it, paste it here, Control V, then go to file, just save it and close it. We have our word list ready. Now we can go and quickly turn this into word search puzzle book like this. For this purpose I am using instant puzzle generator. That's really helpful tool. I have been using this since I think 4 to 5 years, and it's really helpful. It quickly turned the word list into these professionally designed word search puzzle books. And the good thing is it's a one-off payment of $47 only. You can get lifetime access to this tool for just $47. So let me show you how this tool works. Let me go back to the home page. From the home page I can go to access now here, and here I can create a puzzle. You can type the title of your book. I want to write 2 here because I'm going to create a second version of that. Then click on create. This is our word search puzzle project here. Click on view, and here you need to upload your words. Go to your hard drive and upload your word list. It will quickly create word search puzzles like this. All you need to do is go on to the settings and do simple things like you can increase or decrease the title font size if you want to. Like if you want to increase the title size, you can simply go here. From the settings you can change the grid size. I just went ahead with 16 into 16. You can create different difficulty level. You can create 22 into 22 or even up to 29 into 29. I just went ahead with 16 into 16. Here it is. Then I just changed the puzzle clues to 3 column bottom. This is all I did, and I ended up creating this beautifully designed word search puzzles. Next you can also click on these show solutions, and it quickly shows you the solutions for each page. If you don't like the solution page, like sometimes solution pages may appear a bit weird, simply you can regenerate that page and it will regenerate the solution page very quickly. So let's see. Now the solution page is totally changed. You can go through and quickly regenerate the solution pages that don't look right. So once you are done with the solution pages, you can simply go to the download and download it, either PNG, JPG or PDF. PowerPoint file is the feature of Pro version. I will go with PDF only. Set the trim size. I went with 8.5 into 11. Page number format is also available, and you can choose from these page formats. I went ahead with page 1, then center line the page number if you want to, then the number of solutions per page. You can add 1 solution per page, 2 or 4 at max, and the start page number I set it to page 1, then click on download. It will take some time. Once it finishes I will come back. So our puzzle book is ready. I can simply go to save and save it onto my hard drive. Let's see. So this is our puzzle book ready to sell on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, or any website. You can sell this on website or web store. You can see these are professionally created puzzle pages. At the end, the solution pages are given, 4 solutions per page. So this is beautifully designed word search puzzle book that we generated only using AI and this simple app, that is Instant Puzzle Generator. It's a one-off payment of $47. I bought this tool back in 2020 and I still use this. It's super quick and it's super helpful. You can check out Instant Puzzle Generator. There would be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.